Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable location sharing in Google Maps application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open my Google Maps application and I'm just going to pick a random location. For instance, I'm going to share this location. I'm going to tap on the location, and then if we want to share this location to our friends, for example, we can click on the share button. Just click on share, and here you will be able to share it to WhatsApp, Telegram, or more application. You can also copy the link of this Google Maps location. Just click on this icon, and then the link will be copied to clipboard and you will be able to share this link to your friends. Alright guys, and that's all the way to enable location sharing in Google Maps application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.